Hi, I'm Jacqui from Abberton Rural Training. This is our stay-at-home, grow-your-own project. Today I'm going to be making use of the modular tray that also comes as part of your stay-at-home, grow-your-own pack. You'll see there's three parts to it. There's the clear roof, if you like, which is going to act like a mini greenhouse. You've then got an insert which has the modules in with drainage holes, and then you have a further tray on the bottom. If you're really keen, you will notice there's actually drainage holes in the bottom one as well. So you could use them both separately and make even more out of your pack. So what I'm going to do first of all is literally fill it up with compost, making sure that I get fairly evenly across all the modules and just press down lightly. It's worth taking your time over to make sure they are evenly distributed, and then you can scrape off the excess and return it back to your compost bag. So this one I'm going to be doing a little bit differently, and in some of our other videos we'll be showing how to get plants for free, and this is one way. These are just plum tomatoes that have been bought in a supermarket, going a little bit over in the fridge, and they are a perfect harvest of seeds. You may not get the exact variety again, but you'll certainly get a tomato, and they should still be a cherry tomato version. I'm literally going to scrape out some of the seeds. You can let them dry if you want to for a couple of days, or you can plant them straight in. If you do end up with a couple in each module, then that actually doesn't matter at this stage. If this is too fiddly, you can always fish them out with a lolly stick or a teaspoon. Just a really light cover over, and then they're ready to have a little water. Water from side to side to not disturb the seeds. If you're going to put them on a windowsill, just put a tray on underneath to collect your drainage, put the little cover on to give a mini greenhouse, and you should see shoots in just a few days' time. If you are keen but haven't got a garden big enough for a greenhouse, then a mini greenhouse like this is a really good option and can fit just nicely in a corner. Thank you for watching, happy planting, and hope to see you again on our YouTube channel.